Palma Nova is a town on the Spanish Balearic island of Mallorca. The town is frequented by a range of socio-economic groups due to the proximity to both the city of Palma and the resort of Magaluf. With the advent of low-cost airlines and package holidays, Palma Nova has grown to become a major holiday destination for Europeans. The city occupies a prime position on the western side of the Bay of Palma and could be described as the quieter alternative to its rowdy neighbor Magaluf, but less exclusive than its other neighbor Portals Nose. It's favored among British holidaymakers thanks to its long stretches of beach, budget-friendly hotels and child-friendly attractions. The city has got a bit of life year-round thanks to the number of expats living in the area. Brits favor it for its reasonably priced housing market and a variety of international bars and restaurants open 12 months of the year. Palma Nova was one of the first tourist resorts to be built in Mallorca. Dating back to 1935, officials decided to transform the fishing village into a purpose-built resort to attract visitors. However, the Spanish Civil War put this on hold until the country returned to normality in the 1950s, when building resumed. There are 3 stretches of beach in Palma Nova, all linked to a bustling promenade which runs along from one side of the resort to the other. Palma Nova Beach is located right in the middle of resort and boasts a large in size at 1 kilometer long and a depth of 60 meters. This section of beach is probably best for those keen to indulge in some water sports. Escarregador is another blue flag beach at the eastern end of the resort by a small harbor which boasts fine white sand and clear blue sea. It's favored by families because it has a children's play area on the promenade behind the beach. The third one, furthest to the west, is Son Matiès, again a blue flag beach and the biggest of the 3. This one has all the new cool bars, offering a great spot to have a drink. Many activities in Palma Nova are centered around the beach, water sports and boat trips. Most restaurants along the seafront in Palma Nova tend to serve typical resort favorite cuisine, including pizza, pasta, British breakfasts and burgers. However, it's worth exploring the side streets for something less obvious and touristy.